Thinking about remodeling your bathroom? Here are 10 common mistakes homeowners make and how to avoid them. Number 1. Vanity plumbing. Plan on buying your vanity before you start the remodel. Many modern vanities have drawers or hang off the wall, so you'll need enough clearance for the P-trap to fit. Always roughen your plumbing first and match it to the vanity layout. Number 2. Shower door. Plan your shower dimensions for a standard size door. That can save you hundreds compared to custom glass. And make sure it clears your vanity and your toilet when it opens. Number 3. Toilet rough-in. If you're tiling behind the toilet flange, make sure you still have at least 12 inches from the finished wall to the center. Code requires 15 inches to any obstruction, but I prefer 18 for comfort. If space is tight, go with a 10-inch rough-in toilet. Number 4. Shower waterproofing. This is a critical stage. Mistakes here can cost thousands to repair. Always ask your contractor what system they'll use and how they'll install it. I like GoBoard and Laticrete waterproofing systems. They're reliable and proven over time. Number 5. Tile caulking. Grouting every corner is a mistake. Those joints will crack. Use a color-matched siliconized acrylic caulk. I prefer Mapei Premium Unsanded to match the grout perfectly. Number 6. Bathroom fan timer. Add a timer switch. It keeps ventilation running after you leave, removes humidity, and prevents mold and mildew. Number 7. Vanity outlets. Don't set outlets too close to the mirror or too low behind the backsplash. And add one inside the vanity, perfect for charging your toothbrush or razor. Keeps your countertop clean and clutter-free. Number 8. Electrical planning. Before drywall, plan all your lighting and outlets. Can lights, LED mirrors, heated towel racks, and outlets for mirrors. It's much easier to do it now than later. Number 9. Baseboards. Avoid MDF in wet areas. It swells when it gets wet. If you do use MDF, seal the bottom with siliconized caulk. Better yet, go with PVC or tile baseboards. Number 10. Paint. Always use bathroom-rated paint that resists moisture, mold, and mildew. Satin or semi-gloss finishes work best, and they're easy to clean. Bonus mistake. Natural stone shower bases. Avoid using natural stone for your shower base. Homeowners often skip sealing it a few times a year, and that's when problems start. I've seen many stone shower bases stained beyond repair. Even toothpaste or shampoo can leave marks. If you love the stone look, choose porcelain that mimics it. It's easier to maintain, and it'll look new for years. Plan ahead. Use quality materials, and you'll avoid the most expensive bathroom remodeling mistakes.